So today on Project Shop, we got some electrical switchgear we're going to tear down. We got 147 pounds. I'm pretty sure I paid like 10 cents a pound for this. This oddball stuff that's loaded with multi-metals and garbage, which would be plastic. And this is, I guess that would be like a fiberglass isolation boards. You really don't want to be paying too much for this stuff because you never know how long it's going to take you to get it apart. And you really don't know how much the percentages are unless you've done these exact ones many times, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna break these down, see how long it takes, see what the percentages of steel, garbage, copper, aluminum are, and see what you should be paying for them. So at 10 cents a pound, I paid about $15 for this stuff. So let's get it up on the table and tear into it and see if we can't recover some money. Okay, here we go. 606. Okay, so first thing, let's see if we can't get this unbolted from the backside. I noticed all these little rubber tabs are plastic. Oh, they're like little cups. Well, let's see what we got. Oh, nice. Tear into that in a minute. So, the guy I got these from, next time I go to his house, I'm gonna bring these plates back, these giant copper plates. I'm gonna bring them back along with my 50 cal Desert Eagle, and we're gonna blow some holes in this copper. Why? Because I want to. Ooh, that's in there tight. Ooh. It's a nice piece of extruded aluminum, and that is one nice chunk of copper. Now I'm going to save some of this also and have it tested down there in Miami, because we had shot some of this before and the gun was messed up, but it came back silver. Oh yeah. Now, if you come across this stuff for free, this is well worth taking apart. Okay. It's hot. Spinning. That's gonna be interesting. Now the only problem is, oh, it's going good. That's the problem. You get rusty Allen bolts, and you wind up getting them stuck. It's like a gear. It's pretty interesting. Iron. Looks like we got some type of rivet. All right, let's see if we can't get these out. Nice chunks of aluminum. Now, this is not going to be easy. But once you figure out the first one, the second one and thereafter will go much, much easier. Tell me this is that odd size that I don't have. Looks like. Darn it. My dinner's ready, so I gotta stop for a second. Okay, we're back at it. Now, it's an oddball, or at least I didn't have the driver for this one. It came coming right out. Man, that's heavy. It's iron. Now, it's a giant reverse thread nuts. Wow, that's interesting. It's like cast aluminum too. Huh, that's interesting. Oh, looks like there's double little things on. Now these things here, man, they're tough to get off. Right. Probably just put these up in the vise. Prepared steel. Nice chunk of copper. Adding up quick. Nice. Let's see. Looks like all that's steel. And then that's cast. There we go. Nice heavy chunk of cast. All prepared steel. All right. Let's see. If I was sitting in front of these doing a bunch of these all day, man, I'd come up with a bunch of tricks and tear this down probably half the time I just did. Now that I see how it's coming apart. Now, one more. Let's see. Oh, snap. A little smaller, but doesn't feel any lighter. Okay. What's that? Ooh. Damn, it's smoking. What's it doing? Melting the cup?
Nope. That's the acid reacting to the water.
Oh.
Yeah, it's reacting on it. Feel the cup.
It's getting hot? Wow. So what's that supposed to do?
I just want to see if it makes it bright and shiny again.
The copper or the silver coating?
Silver coating.
I don't think it was probably ever shiny. It probably was just a dull,
Well,
like it is
silver
now.
will shine no matter what. And you can see right where I rubbed my glove on it in the light, and you see where it started to shine it up a little bit.
Put it on there. Jeez. Oh, that's a tight machine fit there.
You see a oil pan around here, like a bucket that I can put a
Ow.
holy shit, that bitch come flying over here about the speed of light. Hey, have you got a
Where'd that go? Did you see where it went?
yeah, it went all the way under there, out to the grass. Under these batteries, out to the grass.
Oh. Sweet.
Hey, you got some copper strip back?
Strip?
Yeah, just a piece of copper I can lay in the bottom here as an anode. No, I need something long enough to hook these 12-volt batteries.
Oh. Okay. Dude, look at these things here. They're reverse thread. And there's a spring under it.
Those clamp the blades together. When the blade goes into the thing, is that what they are? Sort of like adjustable.
Yeah, it is adjustable because there was these little keepers there.
Those blades go in between.
You adjust those and...
Yeah, but that's where the blade goes in between when you throw the switch.
Yeah.
All right, look here, man. I'm going to try this off here. Switch them. That one goes on this side.
Negative?
That one goes on that side. Go ahead.
Oh, shit. It's boiling.
You see it?
Oh, man, I could smell it. Yeah, it's bubbling up. What's it doing?
Eating the silver off of that copper.
Where's the silver gonna go?
It'll be a foam on top. This green foam.
Can it be recovered?
Yeah, you slide it off the top with a fucking spatula. Give it about another minute. That way I'll know for sure when.
Another
Just
minute,
smells like
I'll be,
rotten
yeah.
It won't hurt you. My liquid is positive and my anode is negative. That's long enough. That'll tell me what I need to see. Should be starting to turn green. Here, hold that.
It's turning black and getting warm.
See that foam that's on top?
Yeah.
Those foam bubbles right there?
So if we left this in there overnight, all that...
Oh no, you don't want to leave it in there that long. You'll have all the copper ate off too.
Oh.
Look at my wire. It's clean.
Oh, shit.
I can make your old copper look fucking clean with this.
Okay. This thing here actually coming apart relatively easy. I've done some of these that were just so cooked and so corroded that it just fights you every bit of the way. This is not that bad. Blue spring. I'll probably save all them springs. Come on. Pretty sure those things are actually extruded aluminum. Corroded like a mofo. Yep. Nice little chunk. Oh, it's hard plastic. Man, that plastic is tough. Break out the razor blade on that mother. Okay. Some bright and shiny. Try this with a razor blade. That stuff was super tough. Yeah. Even with a razor blade. Dag. It's like super hard plastic. Probably not even going to be enough bright and shiny to make a difference here, but it is bright and shiny and we will recover it. 1/4 inch or whatever. Stuck. Just need to give it a little tap, loosen that up. Perfect. All right. I should have loosened up some more. Wow, that's tough, man. And that's it. Bam. What time is it? I did spend a lot of time messing around with other things. There you have it. So whatever that took, minus my dinner and playing with the acid. All right, so now we're just gonna weigh this stuff up and see how much money we made. Okay, so we got this bucket tared. And this bucket weighs 2.2 pounds. Man. That's gotta be 40 pounds. Or 67. Number 2 copper. 66.8 pounds. So let's see if this even weighs. .6 pounds of copper. Do the extruded. This is 7.4 pounds. EXAL 7.4. We're gonna go with cast. .6.8. 30.4 pounds of steel. So we got 34 pounds of garbage, and there you have it. So it didn't take that long. It's pretty simple. If you have all the right tools right there in front of you, this stuff goes pretty quick. I'm gonna do all the numbers, see how much we got out of this. I'm gonna say that for the time spent, it's probably worth getting these, and we'll see what it's worth to pay for these and still make some decent money. Okay, this has actually been like 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks now. I've been super busy. I haven't been able to edit or post any videos, but I have a lot coming. I got tons of videos that I shot. I edited some of them. I just hadn't had time to finish it, but I kept shooting, so I have stuff for you. And also, before we get into the numbers, I just want to show you this. I actually got permanently banned from Facebook. Facebook does not like you sharing the truth and calling them out on their bullshit. So, which kind of sucks, because I started the Project Scrap Facebook page for people to share stuff, share their videos and whatnot, and they actually removed every single post I ever put on there. And it's my group that I started. I can't even post on there or moderate it, and there's no moderators. People can still post it because it's an open group, but I just can't do anything with it. I don't know what's going to happen with it. I requested a review. I doubt that's going to go well if they start reviewing my account, because I've been calling old Zuck out on his bullshit for a long time now. But anyway, I do have a Instagram. It's called Project Shop FL on Instagram. So you can catch me over there, follow me there. You can talk to me, chat with me, whatever, and we'll at least get something going. I got other things. I still want a platform somewhere where people could share their videos and support their channel. We'll get into that in another video. But anyway, okay, so here are the numbers on that electrical switch gear. And keep in mind, this electrical gear would normally be inside like a big steel enclosure, so you got to take that into account. I doubt you'd get these taken apart like that that often. Anyway, there was 147 pounds. There was 66.8 pounds of number 2 copper at the time, which is, this is almost 3 weeks ago now. I got $3.42, which was $228.45. Cast aluminum, 6.8 pounds, 53 cents a pound, $3.60. We had extruded aluminum, excuse me, 7.4 pounds at 84 cents a pound was $6.21. We had 0.6 pounds of #1 Bright and Shiny, which was at the time $3.72 a pound. We got $2.25. Steel, 30.4 pounds, 6.5 cents a pound. I don't know why they're paying so low for steel around here, but that's just the way it is. $1.97, 34 pounds of trash. So in total, it was $242.48. I paid 10 cents a pound, which was $14.70. So there was $227.87 profit in that switchgear. And I did it I did an hour and 28 minutes it took me. So that broke down to basically 1.5 hours, $151.85 per hour, breaking those down. Now, if I did more of those, I guarantee I can get a lot more of those done. Now, I paid 10 cents a pound for that just because it's oddball stuff, and that's what I do. If it's got multi-metals, rule of thumb, pay the lowest price. I've never lost money doing that. So here's the ticket. And as you can see, this was the 23rd of last month. And, you know, the price of copper's gone up a lot since then. But, you know, we did pretty good that day. $1,600. There was a lot more copper and stuff from other things, but you know, it is what it is. I want to show you guys one last thing. In the video, I mentioned that I wanted to try to shoot a hole in them copper bars, and there it is. Now, these are 45 ACPs, range rounds, home defense, hollow point shredders. This is a 50 cal hollow point shredder, and that is a serious round. Now, I paid like $50 for this box of ammo, and it's really hard to find this stuff right now. I just wanted to show you like the size difference. It's incredible. I haven't even shot this thing yet. Look at this. This thing, my 45, this is a P220, Sig Sauer P220 45, and this thing looks like a baby compared to the 50 Desert Eagle there. But I'm looking for some 50 AE rounds like that, because I don't want, I mean, that's not going to penetrate as much as a full metal jacket would. These are 230 grain 45s. These are 300 grain bullets, which is that's some serious stuff. So stay tuned. Okay, one last thing. Check this out. Now you have. Go check out Project Shop on Instagram, and I'm gonna start dropping a lot more. I haven't posted nothing there in a while. The last thing I posted was that hitch I bought, the BMW hitch. But today I sold down in Miami 700 pounds of copper, I think, something like that. And then we got some 50 AE hollow points, so I got plenty of stuff coming up for you. Oh yeah, I want to show you this. Big things are about to come up with the stator wrecker. I got, this is going to be a good video. Keep an eye out for the welding table video. It was welding tables, but they were 1/2-inch thick plates that I got, 5 of them, big ones. And a bunch of other stuff. So anyway, if you come this far, thanks for watching. If you're part of the Project Scrap Facebook page, I don't know what's going to happen with that. I got about 25 days left of reviewing the account or whatever. I'm probably going to be permanently banned, so I'm already making my moves elsewhere. So I got another video that I'm going to try to drop here in the next couple days that I already pretty much edited. I just got to finish the end. And just to let you know, it's Tuesday, 1:11 in the morning. So I'm trying to get this out to you.